I'm gonna show you the curly hair haircut so you can get this voluminous, bouncy, curly defined hairstyle every single time. So it's called the butterfly cut, and I cut my hair at home. Okay, I do not trust the hair salon. I feel like I will just get it butchered. So I've cut my hair forever, and you guys have always been asking me what my haircut is, so let me show you. First, you really gotta make sure that it's really in the middle. Just like that, you wanna make sure that it's perfectly all the way to the back of your neck. After that, you want to brush your hair out, make sure that all the knots and tangles are out, and get what's called a long layer butterfly cut. Once you've done that, you want to go to the top of your head. The top of your head stops and the beginning of the back of your head starts. That's exactly where you want to make a cut so that you have a cut like this. Once you've done that and you've made sure that it's like literally a perfect circle from this ear to that ear, you want to brush your hair all the way to the front of your forehead. Then you want to tie it in the front of your forehead. Just like that. You're going to look like an idiot, but you just got to trust the process. After that, you take the rest of your hair and you tie it to the very top. Oh my God, it's an arm workout. But once you have it at the top of your head, good to go. Now it's time to cut. I like to get a tape measure because you have to remove the same amount here to the back. I want to remove this much. It's about 3 inches. Be careful, keep your head straight. I have done this so many times that I'm not even phased. After that, you're going to bring the ponytail that you put on the top to the front. That's how you're going to cut it. You're going to cut it in the front. So about 3 inches, about right there. Ta-da! Out of the high ponytail. Just front, and then bring it to the back. Now it's time for my bangs. My bangs have been getting a little too long, my curtain bangs, and last time I cut it, I did a big mistake, and I like just chopped it off directly. This time we're gonna fix the mistake, and we're actually gonna get curtain bangs. Now this is super easy. I've done this since I was in high school. You take the side of your bang, you bring it all the way to your ear. And I like to stop exactly when my finger touches the ear. I just cut it at the angle. There you go. And then you bring it out to the side and it gives you a pretty cute curtain bang. And now for the other side. After that, to check that you've done it well, you just take the 2 front pieces and they're supposed to be the same height. Perfect! Now I'm gonna go do my curly hair routine and I'm gonna show you guys when it's fully dry. This is the results. Are you freaking kidding me? When I tell you this is the best curly haircut ever, it's the best. Like, look at the side. It's literally just so bouncy, exactly like the photos. And look at this side. It's literally just like the best curve you've ever seen. On the front, it looks just as gorgeous. I live by this haircut. Every time I do it, I feel so pretty. So go to your hairstylist or try it at home. Just try it.